Hello learners, today we are going to talk about IPA. What does IPA mean? International Phonetic Alphabet. We have 26 letters in English. You know very well. How many letters do we have in the English language? We have 26 letters. We divide these 26 letters into two parts, 5 and 21. 5 vowel, 21 consonant. We have these 5 vowels. These 5 vowels are having 20 sounds, and these 21 consonants are having 24 sounds. Again, we divide it into two parts, monothong and diphthong. Today I am going to talk about monothongs. We have total 12 monothongs and 8 diphthongs. In the next class, I would talk about diphthongs and these 24 sounds that are related to consonants. Let's see, we have these all monothongs. These all are from these 5 vowels. We have written like that. These all are the symbols you have to remember so that you can see dictionary properly. You can understand the pronunciation. Let's pronounce them one by one. E, E, E. This is long sound. This one short sound. E, E, E. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This one short. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This one A, A, A. This one A, A, A. This one Ah, Ah, Ah. This one Ah, Ah, Ah. This one O, O, O. This one O, O, O. This one Ah, Ah, Ah. This one Ah, Ah, Ah. Let's see these all sound in words. I have written here E, C, E, he, E, C, E, me, feel, heal, each, beach, sheep, heap, keep, leap, lead. We have short sound E, him, sit, chip, mix, fill, hill, itch, bitch, ship, hip, kip, lip, lid. Now we have ooh sound. Ooh, fool, pool, food, boot, blue, cool, boom, choose, glue, stew, hues, true, chew. Short vowel. Oo, full, pull, foot, book, bull, could, bush, should, good, stood, hood, took, shook. Now we have A sound. A. Bed, said, made, led, paid, head, ten, leg, ben, rem, send, gem, bend. Now we have a sound. A. Bad, sad, mad, lad, pad, had, tan, lag, ban, ram, sand, jam, band. Now we have, these all are long sounds. It's little bit low, short sound. This one long sound. A, a, fa, ka, spa, a, cat, heart, hard, lark, park, card, farmer. We have short sound. A, a, fa, 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 ka, spa, a, cut, cut, heart, heart, hard, hard, lurk, lurk, perk, perk, curd, curd, farmer, farmer. Now see, we have short vowel, this one long vowel, this one O, this one O, O, caught, not, bought, pot, cod, fog, fox, cross, son, mock. We have long vowel sound. O, coat, quote, note, boat, port, cord, forge, force, force, course, sown, mow, mow. We have a, cut, sun, cup, luck, run, bus, nut, some. We have suaha a, very light a, acute, sudden, couple, local, ribbon, bonus, nation, system. These all are monothongs. You must know so that you can see in a dictionary and pronounce that correctly. In the next video, I would like to talk about diphthongs. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please like it. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe so that you will get notification time to time. If you watch it on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page so that you will get notification time to time on it. You should also share this video among your friends so that they will also get benefited. They will also learn English language speaking. Thank you. Happy study.